Next, let's look at the clients area down here. On Card HQ website, we don't really have that section, but you could actually add your client's logo here, or you could just remove all of them. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to remove all of these logos here. So click on the pencil. These are all the widgets for all these logos. I'm just going to click remove. I'm going to do the same for all the logos. And that's it. The entire section has been removed. Now for the team section here, if you have teammates, you could go ahead and add their profiles here. But for this tutorial, we're not going to add any team section. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hide this entire section. So to do that, I'll just go to our team section and I will check this checkbox here to hide this section. Then I'm just going to publish this. And if you return here and refresh the screen, the team section has disappeared.